ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ರೆಹಾವೋ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಉತ್ಪಾದಕ ರೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನದೊಂದಿಗೆ 75ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರಿಯ ಕ್ರಮವು ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯ ಪಾಲಿಮರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರಭಾವವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸದೃಢಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಪೀಠೋಪಕರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಲಿಮರ್ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ನಾಯಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯ ರೆಹಾವು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ 75ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತನ್ನ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಖ್ಯಾತಿ ಪಡೆದ ರೆಹಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಧಾರಿತ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೆಹಾವು ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಉತ್ಪಾದಕ ರೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನವನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರಿಯ ನಿರ್ಧಾರವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಸದೃಢಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಗುರಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. 0 ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 79968272256.
Can we have a round of applause? So I would welcome the guest of honor from Rao, Ahmed, Fayaz Ahmed, the managing director. I would request him to come near the stage and do the unveiling. And Mr. Manish Arora, Lakshmi Pacha, and Mr. Karthikeyan from Red Star, the managing director, and the vice presidents. I would request everyone to gather at once and kindly, can I have a round of applause? The media people and the team, Rehav team, can I have a round of applause? Okay, media people, if you have any questions, our guest of honors are here to help you out, to introduce about our Indian market products in India as well. We are celebrating 75 years globally.
So now in the villages, in every places actually they can use our product, feel our product, so they can basically benefit of the technology, the global technology in every nook and corner of the country. So that will. Yes.
In India, made in India.
So we have a center of excellence in Vadodara, where we have actually we have a largest manufacturing facility there set up. So we manufacture all the products there only in India. So we have, like I said, Rehav has the plant in Vadodara, and Red Star has a plant in Andhra Pradesh near the Chennai border. So it complements it.
That is full of all MNCs are there. All the MNCs are there. We are located here.
So we have Red Star plant actually, what Mr. Karthikeyan just said, in the south, and Rehav plant actually we have in Vadodara. So it's a good complement actually, one in the west side and one in the south side. So Rehau is basically a German company, but we are celebrating 75 years globally, and we are present in India for 25 years. And we are basically
5 years back. But Rehau Atmanirbhar Bharat started 25 years back. So we are the first German company believed in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and 25 years before itself we came to India and established world-class facilities, and we are the having largest facility in Vadodara, and we are also committed to invest more and more to expand and build the future lines, not only in the acquisition one side and also in-house capacity expansions, as well as our own design centers. So in fact all our products what we are manufacturing in India are designed in India.
18 years. I am leading this furniture division in Rehau in India. So as Mr. Karthikeyan has said, that this is a strategic partnership in India or in the advent industry. So going forward, we see a lot of potential in India for this market, because Rehau was already a leader in the advent in the top end of the market. So with this acquisition, we will be strengthening our presence in pan India in the markets where Red Star is not present. We will be forcing our acquisition, our partnership with the material in the other parts of India, and also the retail market where we were lacking.
Yeah, my name is Karthikeyan. I am the promoter of the Red Star Plastic Private Limited in Chennai. This is a company which is making expanding for the last 15 years, and we have a network of offices and warehouses in South India. And a short, interesting news is this company was conceived and started 14 years back as the first Indian expanding company, because we were unsuccessful in getting the dealership of Rego. We could not get the dealership of Rego, so we started this company, and today we're joining it. So very happy about it and very, very thrilled about it. And
Thank you.
And this is mainly due to the hard work put in by our team, led by Mr. Ravindra, and everybody has put a lot of hard work, and that has ended up to this level. And we are very happy about this future, and we are very confident that.
I joined Formica nearly about 3 years ago, and before that I was with Rehau for 20 years, and almost a similar field, and total work experience of about 39 years. Yeah, so all that you see in our stall here are our global flagship products. So Formica belongs to Broadview Holdings, which is the largest surface materials company in the world. And Broadview Holdings, apart from Formica, has companies like ARPA, based out of Italy. Their product is Phoenix, that you see here on the top. It is the inspirational material for all matte surfaces. So whichever company globally, including a lot of Indian large organizations, when they want to launch anything in matte, they look towards Phoenix. And it is a brand of ARPA. BIS also we have displayed here is a brand of ARPA based out of Italy.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.